Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my old silk press. Now this is not going to be perfect. It's not going to be a brand new silk press, but it's 2 weeks later. So this is usually when I go ahead and wash it. So I'm like, let me get one more wear out of it before I wash it. And I think it came out looking a little bit better than it was before. So if you want to see what products I use, stay tuned. So many of you guys may have seen the shorter version of this video on TikTok or Instagram because it actually went viral. And my intentions were not what people were trying to say. It's actually insane. My hair and my scalp is naturally very dry. So the day before I recorded this video, I decided to add a hair oil to my scalp and hair. I went in with this PUREMAJIK Natural Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Blend that's made with 7 pure natural ingredients. And this is one of the main oils I use besides coconut oil or something. And I just went ahead and put that on my scalp. Now I'm going to go in with this K18 AirWash Dry Shampoo. And this dry shampoo was actually recommended to me by a friend of mine whose hair is the same texture as mine. So I was like, why not try it? So it said to shake it up really good and spray it a few times in each section. So that's exactly what I did. And as I went and combed it out, you can see that it actually did make a difference. My hair wasn't so stringy looking at this point. It definitely looked a little more fluffier compared to the other side, which I didn't spray the dry shampoo on yet. So now I'm just spraying that dry shampoo all on the other side of my hair. And then I'm going to take this Revlon blow dryer brush and I'm going to put this on a cool setting. So it's literally just blowing out cool air. And I'm just going to run that through medium-sized sections of my hair and then brush it out. And this just blends the hair together really good, and it just takes away from that stringy, oily look. Now, on TikTok, I've seen a lot of people were saying after 2 weeks, you should just wash your hair. The thing is, my hair was never oily from my scalp. I have a naturally dry scalp and I have naturally dry hair. My hair actually is not even used to being straightened because this is the first time I straighten my hair in over 2 years. And when my hair is straightened, I don't add product to my hair. So for the past 2 weeks, my hair has not had any oil or just anything in it at all. Like, this is the first time I put heat on it. But I'm also going to take this Heat Protectant by Design Essentials. And this is the Agave Lavender Heat Protectant Serum. It's very lightweight and I'm just gently rubbing a little bit throughout the rest of my hair. So before I go ahead and style my hair, I got to do my edges. So I'm going to take this PUREMAJIK Naturals Repairing Edge Control Gel and do my edges. And y'all, I've been going in on this gel. It's so good. Like, the hold is so good. Literally, you can go to bed at night and wake up and your edges will still be in place. Guys, I actually planned on washing my hair the week I recorded this video. 2 weeks is usually like as far as I go with a silk press anyways. And since the silk press was old, I did not care to add oil to it. I just wanted to get one more wear out of it. But really quick, I'm just going to put this flat iron on 350 degrees. That's extremely low, and it did not give me heat damage because I just recently washed my hair. My curls are perfectly fine, which I knew they would be because, trust me, I know what I'm doing. And I also recorded that as well, my straight to curly wash day routine, and I will be posting that this week, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I think many people assume my hair was oily from my scalp, but unfortunately, my scalp is too dry to produce enough sebum to actually oil my hair like this. The day before recording this video, I went and put oil in my hair. I was washing my hair this week anyways, so I really didn't mind it, and it actually made my hair feel better, not so dry and brittle. But thanks for watching. Mwah.